Hello, my name's Carol Chirpick, and I'd like to thank you for visiting my interactive webpage. Knowledge, experience, integrity. These are the qualities I bring to my practice. With over 25 years as a residential appraiser, I have in-depth experience working with the valuation of residential properties. This gives you a great advantage when I go to work for you. Home buying and selling can be a daunting experience. I will guide you through the process, making sure you understand all the information and options available to you, so you are able to make an informed decision. After all, this is a most important decision, not only financially, but more significantly, it's very personal. It's about your home and family. My commitment to you is a solid foundation of communication based on your preferences, whether it's through texts, emails, or phone. As your real estate agent, my job is to make sure your goals for homeownership are met. I've tried to make this page as user-friendly as possible. As you can see, there are links to the custom videos I've produced, which will help you understand the importance of having a professional like myself represent you in all your real estate needs. There's also a link to all the social media sites for a quicker way to find me. Look for the link that will take you directly to my website. This will allow you to view my current active listings. There's also an email link which you can use to contact me directly with any questions you may have. I look forward to meeting with you soon regarding all your real estate needs. Call me at 949-371-6579 to schedule a free consultation.